This is how you refill it. This one's completely empty, so when that happens, what you want to do is, when you fill it, press this little button here at the same time for just a second as you stick your gas in, and then that'll push any of the air that's in here out. You don't want any air in there. Just like that. And once it's got some in there, ideally you want to refill it before it runs out, that way you don't have to do that. So that's your safety. So that always has to be pressed for it to fire. There's another safety in the center of the trigger here as well. So if you only press one side of the trigger, it won't push in. So that's pretty much it as far as that goes. This is the mag that it comes with, which has got the weight on it, which gives it a better balance. And then that's just an extra mag that I bought, which is the one that you'll get with just the standard 19 without the Taran Tactical additions. So take this apart, just pull that down, slide it off. And you can oil up these areas here to keep it nice and lubed.